Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Viewers, Adani Group and ISKCON have united for Mahakumbh Mela Food Drive. The Adani Group, in collaboration with ISKCON, will be distributing 14 crore plates of food over the 45 days during the Mahakumbh Mela. The massive undertaking aims to provide wholesome meals to millions of devotees attending this sacred event.
I'm at Mahakumbh Mela, world's largest religious gathering. Over the next 45 days, 45 crore people are going to come to take holy dip in Prayagraj. That is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. And this, in fact, number is, more than the population of some of the countries. And hence, feeding people in Mahakumbh is a monumental task that is now being undertaken by Adani Group along with ISKCON. So let me go across and speak to the CSR Director, Madhukant Das. Sir, one monumental task is being undertaken by Adani Group with ISKCON. You're going to feed 14 crore people over the next 45 days. A big task. How are you going to do that?
So madam, where we're standing right now, this is one of our mega kitchen. So we have 3 mega kitchens in the entire Kumbh Kshetra, and the entire mega kitchen, to each of unit, is very process driven, and we compartmentalize every part of the kitchen. I will just take you through. So you can see in my right side, here we collect all the raw materials which we procure from the local farmers. And then on my left hand side, you will see there are 2 rows. One row is basically we shift the raw material to this section, and there's a 3rd row where with the natural resources like the wood and the cow dung, from there we do the final preparation. And then there is a automation room where we have large scale machines in which we cook the chapatis and all. Once the entire the meal is prepared, we have a very strong supply chain with us. We have altogether 40 locations within Prayagraj where we do the meal distribution, and on an average every day right now we are distributing close to 1 to 1.5 lakh.
How are you feeling? How many devotees come to you for this?
Every day 20,000 devotees or bhaktas are coming here, और हम ये 4 शिफ्ट में ये हम बनाते हैं, और सब जितने भी अखाड़ों में रह रहे हैं, they are liking ISKCON food very well.
हरे कृष्णा। तो इस काउंटर पे कम से कम दिन में कम से कम 20 से 25 हजार लोग प्रसाद पाते हैं, और काफी अच्छा लगता है कि हम समाज सेवा कर रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ हम उन लोगों को प्रसाद खिला रहे हैं जो उनका कोई केयर करने वाला नहीं है।
This is how a monumental task of feeding crores of people over the next 45 days is being taken by Adani Group along with ISKCON. In fact, over the next 45 days is what we are learning. 14 crore people all across this Prayagraj region, starting from the railway station to the end, that is Sangam Ghat. Till that very point, all the devotees who will be coming here, who are not in fact carrying their food or are looking around to find something, they will be fed by Adani Group and ISKCON.
With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. More news and updates coming your way on the other side. Stay with us.